In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Dashboard Filter. To get started, open your Airtable interface or dashboard where you want the filtering feature to appear. Make sure you're in the correct dashboard before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple views or interfaces. Taking a moment to confirm this at the beginning can help you avoid editing the wrong layout and saves time later. Once you're inside the dashboard, switch into edit mode. This is the area where you can change the structure of the dashboard and control how users interact with it. If you don't enter edit mode first, you usually won't be able to add or adjust interactive elements. So this is the step that opens up all your customization options. Next, add a filter element. Depending on how your Airtable dashboard is set up, this could be a filter control, a dropdown, or another type of input that lets users narrow down the information they see. The purpose of this element is to make the dashboard more interactive and useful, so users can quickly focus on the data that matters to them without manually sorting through everything. After that, choose the field you want users to filter by. This is an important part of the setup because the field you select determines how the dashboard data will be narrowed down. For example, you might choose a category, status, team, date-related field, or another property that makes sense for your data. Try to pick a field that is clear and helpful for the people who will actually use the dashboard. Once the field is selected, connect the filter to the chart, list, or other dashboard element you want it to control. This is what makes the filter functional. Without this connection, the filter may appear on the dashboard but won't actually change anything. Double check that the correct element is linked so the interaction works exactly as expected. Now, test the filter. Use it just like an end user would and watch how the dashboard responds. Change the selected value and confirm that the chart, list, or connected component updates correctly. This is a good moment to catch anything that feels off, such as the wrong field being used or the filter not affecting the intended element. Finally, save or publish the updated dashboard. This makes your changes available so others can use the new filtering feature. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review the dashboard one last time to make sure everything looks clean, works smoothly, and is easy to understand. And that's how to add a dashboard filter in Airtable.